Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nelan Sabila Waludin. I'm from 6C. Today I would like to explain the material about portfolio assessment. So what is portfolio? In the world of work, portfolio it means that a collection or selection of files that can provide the information about an individual performance or abilities. But in education, portfolio means that a collection of student work from their learning experiences over a certain period of time. And also, portfolio have a function. The function of portfolio divided to in the general of education and assessment for assessment. And the function for in general in education, portfolio serves to determine or development of student competencies. Portfolio provide a follow-up material, the work that has been done by students, so that teacher and student have the opportunity to develop their ability. And about the assessment, there are two kinds for portfolio function as assessment. First about formative and second about summative. For formative, the function is to obtain information about the strengths and the weaknesses of students. For assessment formative, generally the result of work that include all the result of work students who are still in the form of a draft or semi-finished as well as the final result. And for summative, the function is giving value to the achievement of student work. For summative, not all results are included. Only those relevant for the assessment are included in the portfolio. And there are also scope of portfolio. First, about development of student understanding over a certain period of time. For example, a portfolio which include initial outline, rough draft, structural critique, and finalization writing. And the second, reflection of individual values, new world views of philosophical orientation. And the third, demonstrate talent differences. For example, portfolio include illustration writing skills, combination of print and non-print. And the purpose of portfolio are first, knowing the development experiences by student. The second, documenting the ongoing learning process. The third, improve the ability to do self-reflection. And the fourth, assist students in formulating goals. What is the differences between test and portfolio? For tests, assessing students based on limited number of assignments. And for portfolio, can assess students based on all the assignment and work result related to the assessed performance. And second, for test, only teacher will judge based on limited input. For portfolio, students participate in assessing the progress achieved in completing various tasks placed during the learning process. For tests, assess all students using one criteria. But for portfolio, assessing each student based on their respective achievements, taking into account individual differences as well. Are also have principle of portfolio. First, mutual trust between teacher and student. In portfolio assessment process, teacher and students must have mutual respect, trust. They must feel a parties who need each other and have a passion for helping each other. Therefore, they must mutually open-minded and respect with other. The second, confidentially between student and teacher. In the result of materials and the result of the assessment must be maintained carefully good, not confide to other parties who are not interested. And the third, about joint ownership between teacher and student. Teacher and students need to feel shared ownership to the portfolio files. Therefore, teacher and student need to agree together where the work that has been produced by student will be saved and new material will be entered. And the fourth is satisfaction. The next is relevant. And the last is process and outcome assessment. And kinds of portfolio. In general, portfolio can be divided into 5 portfolio, namely ideal portfolio, show portfolio, documentary portfolio, evaluation portfolio, and classroom portfolio. But Forster and Masters distinguishes portfolio assessment into 3 groups, namely working portfolio, documentary portfolio, and showcase portfolio. I will explain about the working portfolio, documentary portfolio, and showcase portfolio. First is working portfolio. Working portfolio is a collection of work in a subject or competence over time period certain. For example, the test result, quiz, report and assignment, journal, student diary, self-assessment, result. The word portfolio consists of first introduction, the second table of content, the third about result of self-assessment or reflection, and the fourth about student journals or diaries or periodical on a topic. There are also functions of working portfolio. The working portfolio allows students to see and directly evaluate the progress that occurs in students, and also to see the effectiveness of the teaching and learning process that they do. The second, documentary portfolio. Documentary portfolio is a collection of students' work on a subject in a certain period of time, which is specifically used for assessment. The documentary portfolio contains only the best selected work submitted for assessment. Unlike a working portfolio that contains all of the work like only draft or semi-finished, in documentary portfolio contains only selecting the best work for submitting for evaluation. And the components of documentary portfolio are fill in the relevant portfolio, the second, multiple sources of evidence, the third, wide of scope work, and the fourth, student participation in selecting the contents of the portfolio. There are functions of documentary portfolio based on formative and summative. Function as a summative in the sense of showing the result or achievements of students on a topic, certain subjects or competencies. And for the function, formative is in the sense of result assessment, portfolio documentation that provide the information about student achievements used by teacher to help students achieve the expected competencies. And the last is showcase portfolio. Showcase portfolio is used to show the best result product by students in a particular subject or competency. The previous portfolio contains only finished product. The selected portfolio does not contain evidence of work process improvement and product improvement. This is different from working portfolio that in working portfolio, student must contains the process of making the product. The showcase portfolio is used for summative purposes such as selection, certification, and class assessment. The usefulness of selected portfolio for the purposes summative assessment depends on two things. First, the relevance of portfolio content to the competencies being measured. And the second, the authentic of the product or student work. Alright, that's all about portfolio assessment. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.